Hello friend, this is Abhay with you. Welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with one more product review. The product name is Vertex. So this product is created by Moshberry. So see, this product will give you pre-made videos so that you can create a pre-made videos for your product from across the niches. So you will get this pre-made video for your product so that you can put your push buy button or your affiliate link in that, and you can earn the money by campaigning your product through this pre-made video. But you will say, what is the unique thing in that? Because there are so many other software also, the providing same services, they will create a pre-made video, some template videos for your product campaign. But here, unique thing what I like more about this product, that here in this product you will get inbuilt traffic source, that is also more than 80 plus. So once you create your pre-made video for your product as per your niche, so you can get the buyer traffic for your product from across the 80 plus traffic sources. So here you need to do only simple three things. First, you have to log into this Vertex, and you have to choose your product as per your niche and put your buyer button or your affiliate link in that. And with the help of this 80 plus traffic source, you have to just publish that video, your pre-made video, so that you will get huge buyer traffic, that is also through organic way through this 80 plus traffic source. So this is the unique thing in this software. So here no need to pay any extra money for your ad and all these things. So this is the unique way to get your organic traffic. So this is the cloud-based software which run on autopilot mode. So here no content creation, marketing experience or any technical skill is required. So these are some basic features of the software. So here in this software you will get massive traffic for your any offer in any market. So your video will get viral within a minutes of time, and it's a totally newbie friendly software. So many people have a concern that they don't want to face the camera. So here you no need to face any camera. Here you will get inbuilt content for your offer. So no camera equipment, editing software is required, and so no monthly fees is also you have to pay. It is a one-time cost software. So there are other features also. So I will tell you once we will go through the member area and sales page. Today I have a great offer for you. If you purchase this product through my link, you will get bonuses from my side which will act as an add-on for this software, and you will get the vendor bonuses as well. So this link is already given in my description. So once we will review this product, if you like this product and if you want to purchase the product, the link is already given in the description. So you can go through that link. So let's start to review this product. First I will take you through my bonuses page. Then we will visit to this member area, and then we will go through the sales page and overview the price and upsell price. So let's start our review. We will take you through my bonuses. So this product is going to launch tomorrow 29th July at 11 EDT. So please note that this bonus is only for limited period. That is, this bonus will be there till 1st August midnight. So grab it before that. So my bonus number 1 which I offered you, that you will get access to the software Gemini. So this software is created by my mentor Jono Armstrong. So here in this software, the software is a video tutorial. So you will learn about the email marketing. So here you will learn how to grow your email market. With this software you will get the inbuilt tools like GetResponse, so that you can collect the email list and promote your product to this email list, and you can grow your subscriber. My bonus number 2 is 4 ways to get instant design inspiration. So here in this tutorial you will learn how to get your design inspiration for your product or your campaign from 4 different platforms like Pinterest, Insta and so on. My bonus number 3 is build your Facebook following fast. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to grow your Facebook following fast. See, as you know that nowadays Facebook is the potential platform where you can grow your buyer or you can campaign your product. So in this software, you will learn how to grow your Facebook followers. So my bonus number 4 is you will get license right to the lockdown formula. So this software is also created by my mentor. So here you will get this software absolutely free, and that is also with license right, so that you can sell this software and earn 100% commission. So it's a great opportunity to earn through this bonus. So my bonus number 5 is you will get all the vendor bonuses. So you can get all these bonuses once you purchase this product through my link, which is in description. So I will take you through member area now. I have logged into this member area. So on left hand side, you can see the various tab like template, my design, social blast, training, upgrade, and social and support. See in this template, so here on this front page, you can see the various template given for pre-made videos for any of the product as per the niches. Like here you can see the Facebook post, here TikTok videos, Instagram post, Twitter post, Snapchat share, YouTube videos, and so on. So here if I want to promote my product through YouTube ad, so I can use this pre-made videos as a YouTube ad. So from this template I can use. So I click here, this page will appear. So here you can see the design where you can design your page and your videos. You can go through the video. So in this library you can upload video from your existing video, or you can use some templates also. So you can search the product as per your niche. Suppose if I search here online marketing, so you will get these ready-made templates and you can edit these templates. Suppose if I choose this, so see here pre-made video is come just with one click. So this is the fully editable video is there. So you can edit from here. You can edit this text. You can change this figure. Instead of $200, you can change $500 as per your requirement. You can change, you can edit this video, and you can put your affiliate link or your push button here, so that whenever customer visit to this video, he can go through your product. So ultimately you will earn the commission through this. So you can edit this. You can do anything. You can edit this. You can change the text size, color, background color, height, letter spacing, everything you can change. So once you made the change as per your requirement for your campaign, you just click here save. So once you save here, you can download it. So I am done. So here your download is completed. So now you can see your video which recently we have saved. Just go through the design, click on design, and here you can see your video which we have just created for YouTube ad. So see here you can see, from here you can download your video just by clicking this. So see your video is downloaded here. You can go through it. See. So in this way you can use this pre-made video and you can put your affiliate link or your push button, so that customer can go through your product and ultimately you will earn the money. So now we have created our videos with the help of pre-made video. So now the unique feature of this software is that you will get the free buyer traffic from 80 plus sources. So that I will show you from here. In Social Blast, you have to just click, you have to select just your project, like we have created YouTube ad. So you have to just select here and from this number of this source you can access to these sources and you will get your buyer traffic. So this is the unique feature. You will get the buyer from Facebook, Twitter, Insta, and so many, even WhatsApp. And these are some platforms from where you will get the buyer traffic for your product by just simply clicking. So suppose if I click here Facebook, so see my video is already attached here. Just I need to post here from here. So it will target all the Facebook follower for this campaign. This is one of the way you can choose any one of these platform to promote your product. So ultimately you will get the huge buyer traffic from across this platform. So apart from this, you will get the training, step by step training is given how to use this software and how to generate income through this software. Everything is given in this training section. You can upgrade your software, and here support is also there. So if you stuck up at any point, you can contact to their support. So this is from this member area. Now I'll take you to the sales page. So I am on the sales page of this product. So I will cover only main part like bonuses and prices. So if you want to go in detail through this sales page, the link is already given in my description. You can go through that link and visit the sales page and go in detail. So here some earning proof is also given. By using this software they are earning. So these are some testimonial is also given. So as I told, you will get bonuses from vendor side. Bonus number 1, 6-figure store builder. So in this bonus you will get the done for you. With the help of this done for you, you can earn the money. Bonus number 2, Udemy clone plugin. So this host course you will get absolutely free, and you can charge to the course creator to host their course on this your platform. Bonus number 3, ClickBank auto commission. Bonus number 4, affiliate booster. So here you can turn the blog post into affiliate profit machine in minutes of time. Bonus number 5, live chatbot plugin. So in this bonus you will get the chatbot so that you can promote your product by using this chatbot. Bonus number 6, pop-up profit. So these all bonuses you will get once you purchase this product. So we'll check price and OTO prices. So this is the price for front end and OTO. So front end cost you around $19. So here you will get access to the powerful Vertex software and training module. Here note down, if you get this front end also, you will get all the bonuses which I have mentioned. And this OTO 1 cost you around $29, OTO 2 cost you around $39, OTO 3 cost around you $197, OTO 4 cost around $39, and OTO 5 for $197. So details of these OTOs you will get once you click on the sales page. You will get all the details what you will get through these OTOs. So I will summarize this product. So this is the software where you will get the pre-made videos for various products and for various niches. So you can use this pre-made video for your product to promote. But unique thing is that you will get the buyer traffic source, that is also 80+ buyer traffic source. So you can promote your product and get the traffic source from this inbuilt traffic source. So I hope this review is helpful. If you like this product and if you want to purchase this product, the link is already given in the description. You just go through that link. You will get this product along with the my bonuses and vendor bonuses. So on this channel, I will come up with the upcoming review for various products. So do visit my channel and subscribe the channel. If you like this video, just share this video with your friend. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.